Do, 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 da, da.
All right, speed tubing friends, we are back again. Today, we're going to learn step 4.
And this baby, but we do not find the one that has yellow. But then we need to find Baba and Mama on the color baby.
4. So that was a great explanation to start.
Yeah, we're not.
But let's show them. Let's show them what step 4 needs to look like. So for step 4, you should have already finished step 3. And when you finish step 3, you had a cube that looked like this. You have all white on top, and you have your 4 colored T's. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if your cube looks like ours right now, that means your cube is ready to start step 4. When you finish step 4, your cube is going to look like this. So this cube still has all white on the bottom, but instead of having 4 colored T's, we have 2 colored rows on these 4 faces. So I have 2 rows of green, 2 rows of red, 2 rows of blue, and 2 rows of orange. So this cube is done with step 4. Angelina, did this one earlier today. Just like Angelina was telling us, I use a special algorithm. We use a special algorithm to talk about step 4. And I call it the mommy, daddy, baby algorithm. What do you like to call it?
I like to call it sister, baby, daddy, mom.
So she adds more characters to her story. And this is really just a story that I made up. You can make up your own stories for your algorithms because sometimes making up stories is a great way to help us remember things, making up songs, making up stories. So here's a story that I made up for step 4 because step 4 could be a tricky step, but if you use the story, it seems easier. All right, so I drew a picture of my algorithm for step 4, and we'll explain what it means. So do you know who these people are in this picture?
That one is the baby, and this one is the mama.
This one is the baby, okay, and this one is the mama. And we know that this is the baby and this is the mama because they have matching what?
Hair.
Yeah, they have matching hair. The baby has red hair and the mom has red hair. The baby and the mom have matching hair. But the baby's skin, the baby's face looks like its dad. So what color skin does the baby have?
Green.
And what about its dad?
Green.
Green, yeah. The baby has green skin and the daddy has green skin. So the baby looks a little bit like its mommy and a little bit like its daddy. It looks like both of them. Let me explain what happens in this story, and that will help you remember the algorithm. If you look over here, you can see that there's a baby and he's standing on top of his dad's shoulders. You don't see his legs or anything, you just see his face, but you get the idea. The baby is standing on top of his dad. But we see an arrow here. And this arrow is showing us that the baby is running away. And he's running away from his mom. So in step 1, the baby's standing on top of his dad's shoulders, or on top of his head, and then he runs away from his mom. Step 2, the mom goes up the stairs. Step 3, the baby goes back to his dad. So we're looking at where the dad is, and he's standing on his dad's head again. After he does that, over here, the mom goes down the stairs. Next, the baby goes to his mom. So at this part of the algorithm, you're going to turn your cube and you're going to orient it so you're looking at the mom, and the baby tells its mom that it wants its bottle. It wants some milk. This baby's hungry. So the mom tells the baby, yeah, you can have your milk, but your dad has to go get it. So the dad goes up the stairs, and then we see the baby's bottle. We have to turn the top. We have to turn the lid. It has a lid on top. We have to take it off. And then finally, at the end, the baby drinks all the milk down. Gulp, 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 gulp.
And then the baby is in the middle, holding hands.
Holding hands with its parents. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I just told you this story with 8 different steps, and it might not make sense of how this relates to a cube, but we'll show you. All right, so I'm going to get my cube, and you can get your cube too.
I got 2.
She has 2 cubes. Pick one cube. Which one do you want to do right now?
Pick the fast one.
All right, she's going to pick the fast cube. And I'm going to choose the slow cube. But it's okay. And you may remember from step 3 where we talked about how your cube is like an old man or an old lady, and he usually keeps the white part on top. Well, today your cube is going to stand on its head. Whoop. The white's not on top anymore. Now, the yellow face, the yellow center should be pointing up. So for this part of the algorithm, for the step 4 algorithm, I want you to have the yellow center pointing up, and the white center, of course, will be pointing down because we know that the light colors are opposite. So we start looking for a baby. Now remember, what we know about these babies is the babies, their faces look like their dad, but their hair looks like their mom. And I'll give you a clue. None of these babies have yellow hair or yellow faces. So we're looking for a baby right now. And another place to look for these babies is they're always in this middle piece. So we have one here, one here, one here. Angelina has a baby with a blue face and pink hair. So I'm going to use this baby right here. This baby right here has a blue face and it has red hair. And right now it's standing on someone else's shoulders. Maybe that's his uncle or his auntie, but that is not the baby's daddy. Okay, the baby has a blue face. So he's going to look for his dad right now. Remember.
But he's not finding him.
Yeah, he needs to find his dad. So if he has a blue face, he needs to go find that blue center because that's his dad. Baby, go find your dad. All right. Is that your dad? No.
No.
Is this his dad? Yes.
This is his dad.
Yeah, so her baby's standing on her dad's head. This baby's standing on its dad's head. Dad is blue and the baby's blue. Let's check what color hair the baby has. Whoop. Aha. Look at that baby's hair.
Hey, look at this baby's hair.
So my baby that I'm holding right here has red hair. What color is that baby's hair?
Blue.
Blue, okay. So I know that this baby's mom must be the red side because the baby's hair matches its mom. Baby wants to run away from this side. So I'm going to turn the new head of the cube so that it runs away from its mom. For some of you, this may be to the left. For some of you, this may be to the right. It just depends.
Away from his blue.
Yeah, so for this cube, this baby's running away from the red center, so it's running to the left. Whoop! The baby ran to the left, okay?
Oh, no.
Ran away from its mom.
Yeah.
Now, the baby's over here right now. Must be hanging out with his uncle or auntie. Okay, next, the mom goes up the stairs, just like we said in our picture. Okay, the mom goes up the stairs. We're still facing the dad that's facing you, but the mom side, the red, goes up the stairs. Do, 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 do. All right. Then the baby, who's over here right now, runs back to its dad, just like in the picture. Here's the baby, goes back and stands on its dad's head. So baby, go back to your dad. Ran back. But after the baby runs back, the mom goes down the stairs. So again, we remember the mom is red here. The mom is going to go down the stairs. So I take this side of the cube, I make it go down. Next, the baby goes to its mom. The baby's going to stand on its mom's head.
Does he want milk?
Yeah, because that baby wants milk.
See it?
Yes, they see it. Yeah, the baby wants milk. So when you take your baby and you put it on top of its mom, we're going to turn it so you look at that mom. It should be pointing at your chest. Right now, it's not pointing at my chest because I'm talking to you guys, but for you, it's going to point at your chest. So here's that baby again, blue face, red hair, and he runs to his mom. Mommy! There's its mom. And then the baby asks its mom, says, Mama, can I have some? What?
Milk.
Milk. Can I have some milk? And the mama says, yeah, you can have some, but you need to ask your
Baba. Oh, no.
No, no, the baby needs to ask its dad or its Baba. Yeah.
Yeah, he needs to go up the stairs. Everyone to go up the stairs.
Yeah, so the dad or the baba, he right here was blue, so the blue face goes up, okay? Goes up the stairs. Hey, I see some milk right here. And then we have to turn that bottle of milk. So you're going to grab the head of the cube and you're going to turn it in the direction that your milk is on. Okay, so I'm going to pretend I'm opening a bottle of milk. Turning this bottle. Da, 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 da. Ooh, I have a full bottle of milk right here. Yeah, and then the baby's going to drink all the milk down. So here it goes. Drink all that milk down. Gulp, 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 gulp. Ding! The baby drank all the milk.
Now look. Ding, 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 ding.
And if you look at my cube right here, that same piece from before, the piece that was red and blue, that middle piece right here is now in the correct position. It's touching the blue on one side and it's touching the red on the other side. It's like it's holding hands with its parents. So it's in the right spot. So now I'm going to look for another baby. Okay, so remember, we're not looking for the ones with yellow faces or yellow hair right now. We're looking for the ones that match the faces on the side. So, oh, here's one right now. I'm going to pick this one.
Where?
I'm going to pick this one that has a green face and red hair. Which one are you going to pick?
I'm going to pick green face and orange hair.
Okay, yeah, show them that one. That's a good one too. Green face and orange hair. All right, that works. So I know that if it has a green face, its dad is green. I'm going to put this baby on top of its dad's head or on its shoulders. Whoop. There. All right, it's standing on its dad's head. For me, the red, it has red hair on top, so I know the red's its mom.
Oh no, she already went mom.
All right, so step one, red's over here. So baby runs away from its mom. Mom goes up the stairs. Baby goes back to its dad. The mom goes down the stairs. The baby goes to the mom. Whoop. So now we're looking at the mom, and we know that it's with its mom. The baby has red hair. The mom is also red. And the baby asks,
No.
Yeah, the baby asks, can I have some milk? I want my bottle. And the mom says, yes, but you have to ask your dad. If you forgot which one the dad is, just look at its face. Yeah, it's green. Green side goes up. The dad went up the stairs. Okay, then you're going to take the top of the milk bottle and you're going to turn it towards the milk. We have a full bottle of milk, and then the baby drinks it down.
Wait, I already have a full bottle of milk.
Gulp, 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 gulp. So it drank it down, and now I can see that that piece, the green and red piece, is holding hands with its parents in the correct position. So it's touching both the green side on the correct side and the red side on the correct side. So on my red side, I can see I already have my 2 rows of red, but I'm still not done yet. I still have some pieces that I can see are not in the correct position. I still have some more I need to fix. So I can see that here's this one here. Baby's face is blue, so I know the dad is blue. Hey, he's already on his dad. The baby's hair is orange, so that means the mom is the orange side right here. Baby runs away from mom.
Where's mom?
Mom goes up the stairs. Well, the baby goes back to its dad. Then the mom goes down the stairs.
Oh, oops.
Next, the baby goes to its mom. There's this mom. Orange hair, orange mom. Whoop. Baby asks, can I get some milk? Yes, but your dad has to get it. The dad, which is blue, goes up the stairs. Whoop. There's that milk. Turn that bottle of milk.
I don't need to see.
And then the baby drinks it all down. Gulp, 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 gulp. And my piece is in the right spot.
I do not need to do.
For my last piece, I can see that I have 2 rows of blue, 2 rows of red, but I still have one piece right here on my green and orange face that is not in the correct position. When you have a situation like this, this is when Angelina calls in the sister. The sister has to help out. So for this situation, you'll see that this piece really needs to flip and go this way. So we need to get this piece out of here and put a different piece in its place, and then put this piece in the correct place. For this one, we're going to have this one trade into this spot. I'm going to make the red and yellow one go to this position. So because this is the side that we need to move, we're going to pretend that this side is the mom and this faces the dad. So we'll make the mom orange and the dad is green. But this is going to be the sister instead of the baby. The sister looks a little bit different than the baby. Doesn't exactly look like its parents as much, but that's okay. Sometimes some kids look more like their parents, some don't. This sister doesn't right now. So this sister does the same thing that the baby does, though. The baby runs away from the mom. We said that was orange. The mom goes up the stairs. The baby goes back to the dad, or the sister goes back to the dad, and the mom goes down the stairs. That's the orange side going down, or the orange face. Next, the sister goes to the mom. So now we're looking at the mom's side, or the mom's face, and this time the sister, even though it's a big sister, she asks for a bottle too. Maybe it's just a glass of milk. Hopefully not a bottle. She's older. Yeah.
That's gonna be water.
Yeah, maybe it'll just be water. We can pretend it's water this time. Can I get a drink of water? Yes. But your dad has to get it. So that means that the green side goes up. Ooh, there's that water. Let's turn the top of our thermos. And then drink that water down. Gulp, 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 gulp. All right, so now I can see that the sister is holding hands right here, which isn't what we wanted for end result, but what that did do is that put that piece, the green and orange piece that we wanted to put in the correct position, up here on the head of the cube. So now we can move it into place. That one piece that we wanted, that one piece is still right here. Okay, so I need to move it to the correct face. I'm going to move it so it's standing on its dad's shoulders. Here it is. All right, standing on its dad's shoulders. Step one, runs away from its mom. Its mom is orange. That's the orange face. So run away from orange. The mom goes up the stairs. Baby goes back to the dad. The mom goes down the stairs. The baby goes to the mom. And the baby asks its mom, can I have milk? Yes, but your dad has to get it. So the green side goes up the stairs. Turn that milk. And drink the milk down. Gulp, gulp, gulp. Drink all the milk. And now we have 2 rows of orange, 2 rows of green, 2 rows of red, and 2 rows of blue. And I still have my white squares on the bottom. That was step 4, mommy, daddy, baby. All right, so we'll post a picture of this algorithm story if it helps you out, and maybe make up an algorithm story of your own. We'd love to hear what type of story you come up with.
Make sure you practice 10 times all at the same time. Like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And then we can do it 10 times, so we'll practice even more. And then we'll make it even better.
Yeah, the more you practice, the better you get. All right, friends, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.